Hello and welcome. Today we will learn how to play Open the Eyes of My Heart on our ukuleles. For this song we need 4 chords, and that's G, D, C, and E minor. Every time you see a chord it will have 4 beats, and if you're an absolute beginner just strum on beat 1 like this. 1, 2, 3, G again. 1, 2, 3, 4, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, back to G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Throughout this video, I'll be doing this strumming pattern. It sounds like this: down, down, up, down, up, every time that I see a chord. So try it with me. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Open the eyes of my heart, Lord. Deep, open the eyes of my heart. I want to see you. I want to see you. Keep going, ready, go. Open the eyes of my heart, Lord. Deep, open the eyes of my heart. I want to see you. I want to see you. This song technically has 4 different sections. 1 is the intro, 2 is the verse, what we just did, chorus, and a bridge. So let's go to the chorus. For the chorus we have chords D, E minor, C for Charlie, and back to D. Pause here. If you can memorize that pattern D, E minor, C, D, then you do it again. D, E minor, C, D. So let's try and play through the chorus. And if you're more of a beginner and having like a challenge, if it's challenging for you to switch from D to E minor, then I recommend you do it without the strumming hand. Leave out the strumming hand and do D, E minor. And then look at the fretboard as you're doing this, because your hand will go where your eyes are looking. So if you're looking at the sheet music, then you're gonna have to pause and look over here. So look at your fretboard hand and do the switches without strumming. All right, let's play through the chorus. 1, 2, you got this. 1, 2, D, go. I'm lifted up, shining in the light of glory. D again. Pour out your power and love as we sing holy, holy, holy. And I'm gonna do a single strum here on the D. So from here, we would go to another verse. Would you like to play through it? I think it's fun. Let's do the verse. 1, 2, verse again. 1, 2, ready, G. Open the eyes of my heart, Lord. Open the eyes of my heart. I want to see you. I want to see you. I want to see you. I want to see. Keep going into the chorus. 1, 2, ready, go. I am lifted up, shining in the light of your glory. Stay here. Pour out your power and love as we sing holy, holy, holy. Single strum. Now we've arrived at the bridge, but if you can please pause and hit the like button, as this helps the video reach more people. I really appreciate that. Okay, so let's look at the chords in the bridge. Oh, nice. The chords in the bridge are the same as the verse. G, G, D, D, C, C, G, G. So very easy to memorize. So I think you can do it. I think you're ready. Remember, if you're a beginner, just strum on beat 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, then switch. 3, 4. Okay, so let's try it. Bridge. 1, 2, play with joy. 1, 2, ready. Holy, holy, Okay, from here, you could go back into a verse and play verse, chorus. So this bridge serves both as a bridge to another section or as an ending. You would just repeat and fade out on this section. So we've done verses, we've done the chorus, we've done the bridge. So the last thing we have to do, or section we have to do, is the intro. So the intro, good news, is the same as the verses and the bridges. G, G, D, D, C, C, G, G. So I think by the way, this, I don't know if you're watching this video as part of the challenge or if you just stumbled upon this video on its own, but it's part of a chorus or challenge called the Worship Songs Challenge. So if you're interested in doing more songs like this, I'll link the playlist down below. But I think out of the songs we've done so far, this is the easiest to memorize. So I think that makes it really fun. All right, let's do an intro. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. D, C for Charlie, back to G. Go into a verse, ready, go. Open the eyes of my heart, Lord. D, open the eyes of my heart. I want to see you. I want to see you. Now that we have all of the different sections of the songs pretty much in the bag, I'd like to teach you other strumming patterns and then another finger picking pattern so that you can add a little bit of variation to the song, because if not, it can sound very repetitive. But first, I'd like to thank my Patreon community for their support. Because of you Patreon members, I'm able to create these lessons and provide them everywhere to anyone who has internet access for free. And if you'd like to join the Patreon community, I provide them with hundreds of pages of PDFs, weekly live lessons, and courses that I haven't taught anywhere else. And as soon as you sign up, you have access to all of that. You can pledge $5 a month or choose your own pledge. And that allows me to continue to do this. And the other thing is that I do have a website, BernadetteTeachesMusic.org, where I sell ukuleles, apparel, some of my PDFs as well. So check that out. Both of those sites help me to continue doing this full time. So thank you so much. All right, finger picking pattern. So take your thumb and do not put it on string 4 like we have for the other videos. You're actually going to put it on string 3 or string C. Index is going to be on E or string 2, and middle is going to be on string 1. So we're only going to use 3 strings for this pattern. So the string numbers from nose to floor are 4, 3, 2, 1. So the 1 is closest to the floor. So this finger picking pattern is 3, 2, 1, 2. 3, 2, 1, 2. 3, 2, 1, 2. And it goes like that. If you haven't done finger picking patterns in the past, you can take it much more slowly. And just make sure that you're not plucking out, that you're picking in a downwards direction with the thumb and in a come here direction with the index and middle. This pattern works really well if you count it. So I would count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Switch to D chord. And for the D chord switch, by the way, I'm leaving my index finger where it's at because I don't need to put a finger on G string since I'm not touching that one. So let's try and play through the intro with that picking pattern. 1 and 2 and ready, go now. And 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and D chord. 1 and 2 and 3. C for Charlie. 1 and 2 and G. Ready, go. And you can keep this pattern going as you go into the verse. Open the eyes of my heart, Lord. Open the eyes of my heart. I want to see you. I want to see you. Open the eyes So that's one of the picking patterns. The other picking pattern that I have written down here is string 4, 3, 2 and 1 together, then 3. Or G, C, E, A together, C. G, C, E, A, C. And that'll sound like this. Want to see you. I want to see you. And then I wanted to give you one more strumming pattern option. I've used this in the other songs. It's down, 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 down. And it just works very nicely. Down, 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 down. I want to see you, to see you high and then down. All right, so I'd like to do a playthrough of intro, verse, and chorus just to put it all together. And yeah, let me know in the comments down below. What are you liking more? Are you liking picking, strumming, and like a mix of these, or are you doing your own thing? Let me know. I do read every single comment, and I try to get back to as many questions as I see in the comments. All right, let's do this. All right, I think I'm gonna do the 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2 for the intro and verse. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, intro, play with joy. 2 and 3 and D. C. Keep breathing. G. Verse now. Open the eyes of my heart now. Open the eyes of my heart. I want to see you. I want to see you. Open the eyes of my heart, Lord. Open the eyes of my heart. I want to see you. I want to see you. See you. Shining in the light of your glory. All out your power and love. You sing holy, holy, holy. Jump to the bridge. 1, 2, bridge, go. Holy, holy, holy. Holy, holy, holy. Breathe. Holy, holy, holy. I want to see you. One more time, the bridge, go. Holy, holy, holy. I'm fading a little bit. Holy, holy, holy. Holy, holy, holy. Slow down. I want to see you. Single strum. Throughout this video, I've been playing the Romero Creations Daniel Ho Vintage Soprano Ukulele. This one is extra special because I don't usually gravitate towards soprano ukuleles, but the sound that this one made, I had to add it to the shop. So this one's available on BernadetteTeachesMusic.org, and it comes with a hard case, and it's so cute because it's soprano. It also has a strap button that's installed, and this one was made in Japan. So super special ukulele. Now let me know in the comments below which one of the worship songs has been your favorite so far, and I'll be reading everything. I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. God bless.